Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device compatibility and Bluetooth. This matters because the settings menu adapts to firmware and iOS features. Once done, open the case within 1 meter and either accept the quick setup animation or go to Settings Bluetooth to pair. Make sure the case and buds have at least 20% charge so firmware checks can run. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button. Now move to customizing controls and noise modes. You tap the info icon in Bluetooth to get into the core controls, and then choose what each stem press does. This matters because personalized controls speed up daily use. Once there, assign press and hold to switch noise control or transparency, or set one side to activate Siri. Make sure headphone accommodations and conversation awareness are toggled if you want enhanced clarity. Enabling automatic ear detection saves battery and pauses audio. After these changes, check spatial audio and equalizer settings in music or accessibility. You finish by testing every mode. Play a familiar song to verify spatial audio and the EQ, switch to transparency, and place a call to confirm mic routing. Once done, observe latency and dropouts. If you see problems, toggle Bluetooth, choose Forget this device and repair, restart your phone if that fails. Make sure the case stays charged and near your iPhone overnight to receive firmware updates automatically. If issues persist, reset the AirPods Pro 2 and try
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.